Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to make this 3D letter from the video game Luigi's Mansion in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to simply create a 3D letter and how to add this halo effect inside your letter. And as always, the color palette and all the resources needed to follow this tutorial are available for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We are going to set the background color. Go to your layers panel and tap the background color layer. Then choose this black color from the color palette. Then go to the Actions menu, Canvas, and toggle on Reference. We are going to add the logo of Luigi's Mansion as a reference. I put a link in the description to get the file. Tap Image at the bottom of your reference companion. Then find your photo on your Photos app library. Now just place your reference companion on one side and pinch inside it to better see the letter M. Go to your brush library, Sketching, and select the HB pencil and choose a light color. Go to the Actions menu, toggle on Drawing Guide, edit Drawing Guide, and change the color of your guide to see it. Then use your brush to create the shape of the front of your letter. Lower the opacity of your layer by tapping with two fingers on it, then slide to the left. Create a new layer. Then choose this light green color. Go to your brush library, Calligraphy brush set, and select the monoline brush. Then create a clean version of your letter. If you are having trouble with this part, I've put my own version available right below this video. You can now delete the layer below. Hide the drawing guide and the reference companion. Duplicate your letter layer, select the one below, and drop inside this green color. Duplicate it and hide the duplicate one. We're going to use it later. Tap the layer above. Then tap Clipping Mask and Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about masks, I invite you to watch this video. Go to your brush library, Airbrushing brush set, then select the soft brush. Choose this green color from the color palette. Then use your brush at the bottom of your letter. Now tap the transform tool. Then nudge your letter towards the bottom right. Let's add the halo emanating from the letter. Tap this layer, then go to the Adjustments menu and choose the bloom effect in layer mode. drag to the right to adjust the amount of bloom, and use the sliders below to adjust the effect. Then tap the adjustments icon when you are satisfied with the result. Let's create the 3D effect. Unhide this layer and duplicate it. Then tap the transform tool and move it to the right. Tap this layer, then tap Merge Down. Hide those two layers. Grab the monoline brush and connect the edges with it. Select this green color and drop it on your layer. Then unhide those two layers. Duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Then use the bloom effect to create a halo around all your letter. Let's now add the translucent effect. First, tap the layer with the halo and add a mask. Make sure to have the color button black and choose the soft brush. Then use it slightly at the bottom of your letter. Create a new layer above this one. Put it on Clipping Mask. Tap the letter N and choose the Blend Mode Soft Light. Grab the black color and go to your brush library. Abstract and choose the Hexavector brush. Then use your brush inside your layer and switch between the white color and the black color to create the effect. You can go back to the mask layer and use the soft brush with a white color to adjust how strong the effect is on the front of your letter. For the finishing touches, you can merge all your layers, then make sure your letter is in the middle of your canvas. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on, then drag it in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to around 30%, go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!